What's up guys, Ed the Boss Gamer here and welcome back to another video. So today I'm being very busy. I have a lot of chores to do. I need to make a video, make my pack lunch, I've already done, and do my homework as well. So today is out to somebody I know at school, Charlie Wright. I will do Alfie Wright in the next video, but I'm not going to show you what I'm building. They are twins, so they both said similar things, but I think you'll probably guess it after what I've done. So I will, what do I need? Let me see here. I don't know, because I'll just use this for now. Where's the concrete box? I like them. I really do not know. Oh, here. So, I really like these new blocks that they added in. My favourite is this one. I actually would have guessed. So I think if I go, so I'm gonna build the helipad. Is what I'm doing right now. So I might actually do a part 2 of this, but I'll do it straight after this video. I might do a bit of a jump cut just to build a bit of the helipad, but I do not know if I will definitely need it. No block there. And if we go like this. Okay. So if I'll get this and go to a H, so go 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so shout out to Charlie Wright. He suggested this. I will do Alfie Wright, so a team Alfie or team Charlie. I really want to know. So yeah. I was thinking if I can if I do like this. I gone like this, and then I've gone here, and I need glass. Let's use this. This may not be as good as you intended. I'm not too good at building helicopters, as you can see. I think I need to do this bit bigger. So if I just do this. So the helicopter is actually going to be this big. So does that. Okay, I think it is. Right, so yeah, like that. And I'll go boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Yep, and then I'll go like this. You can jump out there with a parachute. If they need to parachute, but I'm the best driver on helicopters in the world. So is that like good? Surely good. Let me see. Right, so then if I go like this, over here, think I'll have time for this. Sorry if my helicopter is not too good. I am not trained for this. So do that. So that's like that, has the helipad on it and then the helicopter. This. Things and it doesn't actually need to have an entrance, it don't matter. It's not going to have an entrance actually. There. So now I need to do like this. And I'll go boo boo, and then I'll go like. And then I need to do one on top, so. Here. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, not 2, 3, 4. Things like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'll put in here. So I think that's good. So it's on the helipad. Actually, no, this is just it. It's not actually on a helipad. Actually, I'm gonna make it. Actually, I think I'll just make it like that. So there is the helicopter. So that is the helicopter, and hope you all have enjoyed this video. Smash that like button if you haven't already. Do remember to hit the bell to not miss any notifications. Don't forget to do it with your golden, wait, no, not your golden, not your lemon fist, not your diamond fist. I regret. Actually, I don't regret. One sec. I forgot to do. Oh, God. Okay, so check out my skin, by the way. It's alright. I did it. So Madison, subscribe to me as well. So yep. And the next video, I will show the next one. So. There's a subscriber entrance. I regret both of you houses. So yeah, hit the subscribe button with your emerald fist. Here, do it. Only a bit of the diamond. No gold. Cheap. Even though you live here, Emerald. Oh yeah, you do. Yes, you do. Okay. And I liked it. So, these are the ones that I did in the last video. Here's the helicopter that I did in this video. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!